Describe in detail about habit of freshwater algae. Freshwater algae habit from free floating planktonic to attach benthics with planktonic algae found with planktonic algae found with planktonic algae found still or shallow moving waters like lakes and ponds, while benthic algae colonize surfaces like rocks on plants and both shallow or fast flowing streams. For both fast and slowing streams, both fast and flowing streams, both fast and slowing, both fast and slowing, both fast and slowing stream, both fast and slowing stream, both fast and flowing streams. Both fast and flowing streams, the fast and flowing streams है ना. इसके बाद कैसे है, they require moisture, survive to sunlight and thrive in conditions nutrient sufficient and which can lead to blooms, warm weather, high nitrogen and phosphorus levels. Habitats and types. Planktonic algae are free floating planktonic water columns है, often forming a significant portions of the upper sunlight layers of lakes and slow moving rivers. इसके बाद second example phytoplanktons like diatoms and dinoflagellates. Phytoplanktons like diatoms and dinoflagellates drift can be microscopic or under visible a microscope. इसके बाद क्या बोलते हैं, बेंथ के algae that live on surfaces and or at the bottom of the water body. इसके बाद क्या बोलते हैं, epiphytic growing on rocks and other hard surfaces and epiphytic attached to muds or sands, and epiphytic growing on submerged plants, and epozoic growing on surfaces of animals, and nistonic all algae life that air water interface. इसके बाद फिर क्या बोलते हैं, growth and conditions. Sunlight essential for photosynthesis. Algae are generally found in areas with adequate light. इसके बाद फिर क्या बोलते हैं, moisture. As with algae, they require a moisture high level moisture to survive. इसके बाद nutrients, they thrive in water. Ample nutrients like nitrogen and phosphorus. इसके बाद बताते हैं कैसे phosphorus है ना, phosphorus and overabundance can lead to rapid growth and कैसे हल algal blooms. इसके बाद फिर बताते हैं कैसे हैं थे ना water flow. Planktonic algae prefer from slow moving rivers and still waters where they don't get flushed out. ठीक. इसके बाद benthic algae are high tolerate and high flow rate and fast moving rivers require attachment है ना. इसके बाद फिर क्या बोलते हैं, behavior and characteristics, movements. Some planktonic algae are similar to the some planktonic algae are similar to moving waters, while others rely on movements. Benthic are generally in water algae. In planktonic benthic are generally and planktonic algae काचे थले. फिर एक बात काले multiplications. They reproduce asexually or sexually. They reproduce asexually or sexually. Can multiply very quickly, especially calm weather or warm weather, especially calm weather or warm weather, especially calm weather or warm weather, and high nutrients levels. इसके बाद फिर क्या बोलते हैं से formation होले ना, they are also as single cells and form to lungs and dense mats होले ना, dense mats. एक बाद फिर क्या होले dense mats and strengths in require environment की काज है strengths in require environment. इसके बाद फिर क्या बोलते लास्ट होले ना, लास्ट का है appearance while they green they appear as green, yellow, brown or orange, depending on the species. Depending on the species, pigment present. आंसर खत्म.